Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm MD Mahfuzur Rahman, the storyteller of Team Kryptonite. At a very early age, we all wanted to be explorers. Many of us wanted to explore beyond the sky, millions of galaxies and millions of stars. But we couldn't because of the technological restraint. But NASA have solved this problem by creating powerful telescopes. One of those are James Webb Space Telescope, which can capture picture from millions of light years away. Our whole team is actually working on making a solution or application or interactive game to teach the user and educate the user about the James Webb Space Telescope. Our whole team is skilled in various sectors, so we are a complete pack for creating the whole application. If we dive into the actual game, we are actually if you dive into the actual game, we are thrown into the control room of the space telescope, and it is called our project is called by the Cocola James. We have various options here. Firstly, the leaderboard, where the user can actually see the real-time leaderboard of the game, and then the space shop, where the user can actually spend the actual coins he is earning in the game and redeem various type of goodies and various level for the game. Then there is a live update session where the user can actually see live update and pictures and videos about James Webb Space Telescope. Now, if we launch the actual game, we are thrown into a 3D model of James Webb Space Telescope, where the user can interact with the 3D model and get to know about the various parts of the actual telescope. If you dive deeper, we have two sessions of the actual game, the study session and the playing session. Firstly, if you go into the study session, there are three various sections here. Firstly, if we go into the level 1, we can learn about the James Webb Space Telescope and why it is actually needed and various functionalities about it. If we go into the next level, we can learn about the location of the James Webb Space Telescope, where it is actually orbiting Earth and various type of information like this. After completing the whole documentation or section, we can actually go into the last session of the education, where we can learn about the partner and contribution of the actual telescope. Now, if we go into the gaming session, the user can play 3 games here: the easier game, the intermediate game, and the harder game. The easier game is actually guessing which picture is taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. If he complete this level, he will be given a level 1 completion badge and few coins. If we go to the next level, we can see it is a quiz level. If the user can complete this level, he will be given few coins and the level 2 completion message. And the final and the most hardest level is the user will have to guess the picture in James Webb Space Telescope's version, and he will have to actually match a puzzle to actually show which picture is taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. If he complete this level, he will be given the level 3 completion message and few coins. If you go ahead from here, the user can again see the leaderboard, the shop, and the interactive session of the NASA's website, which is given by the NASA's APIs. In the certificate section, the user can actually claim the certificate of completing the actual game, and he can share it in various social media platforms like Facebook. Now, if we go to the next session, we can see the requirement and how our actual platform, how our actual application was developed. It was developed in Java, and it can be used in Android only. We are actually currently working on the iOS version, so we can actually implement it in the iOS version. And the whole project is already in prototype version, and we will be implementing the actual game very soon.